I'm going to show you how to preserve fresh blueberries for the long term without freezing them. First, I'll rinse the blueberries thoroughly. Once they're clean, I'll prepare a few sterilized jars. Now I'll begin filling the jars with the blueberries. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. It's amazing to connect with people from around the world. Be sure not to pack the jars all the way to the top. Next, I'll prepare the syrup. Into a pot, I'll pour 1 liter of water. Then, I'll add 8 tablespoons of sugar to it. I'll place the pot on the stove. Once it starts to boil, I'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now I'll pour the cooled syrup into each jar, making sure the blueberries are fully covered. The sugar helps prevent the growth of harmful bacteria like botulism. I'll fill the rest of the jars the same way. Now it's time to seal them with fresh, clean lids. To pasteurize, I'll take a deep pot and place a kitchen towel at the bottom. I'll carefully arrange the jars inside. Next, I'll pour water into the pot until it reaches the level of the jar lids. I'll place the pot on the stove and cover it with a lid. Once the water starts boiling, I'll let the jars pasteurize for 20 minutes. After the time is up, I'll let the jars cool down completely at room temperature. Store the finished jars in a cool, dark place for best shelf life. If you enjoyed this, leave a heart in the comments. Thanks for watching.